This video right here is a step-by-step guide that will show you how you could go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers and making some cool cash with CPA marketing. And the platform which we're actually going to be using today right here is a very cool one right now, which I'm going to show you later on in this particular video. As you can see, most of its traffic is actually coming from top tier countries like the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and so on and so forth. And if you also stick on to the end of this video right here, I'm also going to show you another amazing platform you can use to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers and go on to making some cool cash doing so. And guys, if you're actually a beginner and you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll to my channel. You'll be able to see some cool and amazing videos that you can actually utilize to go on to gaining traffic to your CPA marketing offers and also making money with CPA marketing. You could also come on to smashing the like button to my video, subscribing to my channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all so that I do alert you whenever I do post amazing videos that could help boost your income online. And diving right back into the video of today, like I said, I'm going to show you a very cool strategy to promoting your CPA marketing offer, which is why you want to come onto a platform like CPAGrip to get an account created. You could just simply click on register and be brought to this page, provide your basic details on the field having this red asterisk signs, and get your account created after agreeing to the terms of services right now. So once you do that, guys, you want to just simply go on to logging into your account. So guys, you can see that I'm logged into my account right now, and to get to this section, which I am, you want to come onto the offer to select that option. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select my offers and you'll be brought to a page such as this. So once you do that right now, you want to go on to selecting offers to a top tier country like the United States, Canada, Australia, or any other top tier country right there, because top tier countries actually gets better traffic right now, and they actually go on to having a very cool high buying power, which is why you want to just simply utilize such demographic right there. So if I'm using the United States right now, you can actually see offers available to this demographic. Maybe I'm going to filter the offers by payout, and it's going to show me from the highest paying offers to the lowest right here. And you can actually see that most of the offers right here are kind of like giveaway offers. Supposing I want to just simply promote this offer, you can see that this offer is like a giveaway for a $10,000 right now, and it's an Apple iOS offer. It's also an email and zip submit offer, and the payout is $2.22. Here's my unique affiliate link to promoting this offer. And all this actually means is that I have to actually be driving traffic to the United States for people in the United States that are using Apple iOS devices to submit their email and zip code, and I do get paid this amount right here once they do use this unique affiliate link to go on to completing a simple survey and submit their email address and zip code. That is this amount I get paid per person that actually does that. So this is actually a very cool offer which you want to take advantage of. Firstly, guys, I'm just going to copy the link right here. I'm going to go on to using this platform right here called tinyurl.com to shorten that link. If I paste in the link, I'm going to click on shorten URL, and you can see right now I actually do have a new URL I can use to go on to promoting this offer. So you can actually copy this URL and go on to promoting this offer directly on the platform which we're going to be utilizing right now, which is called the USNet Ads.com. And this is an amazing platform you can use to get free traffic to your CPA marketing offers. But I do advise, guys, that it's important you go on to creating a simple landing page first for the offer which you want to just simply promote right now. And you could create a simple landing page with the help of this platform right here called Google Sites or any other landing page builder site out there. And if you're finding it difficult creating a landing page, just simply come onto my channel right here. You'll be able to see a search icon in this section. Select that and go on to type in a landing page. And if I do type in landing page right now, it's actually going to filter my videos out and select videos for you that I actually showed you how to go on to creating a landing page. You can see this video right here is actually an explainer video on how you can create a landing page with the Google site. This right here is for the systeme.io. You can actually keep on scrolling through. You'll be able to see some cool other videos that I created for you for Webflow, the breezy.cloud, and so on and so forth. So why not just simply go to checking out such videos, and they can be helpful to you in learning how to create a simple landing page for your CPA marketing offer right here. So once you create your offer, a landing page to your offer, all you need to do is to head onto this platform. which is called USNetAds.com, and you want to click here to post ad. If you do that right now, it's going to take you to a page such as this. Just simply fix in an ad title, an ad description also, and go on to fixing other related stuff related to that particular offer. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to CPAGrip. I'm just going to copy this ad title right now. If I do copy this title right here, I'm going to head back to that platform and actually go on to pasting that in this section. So once I do paste that right here, for the ad description right here, I'm just going to go into generating a simple ad description with the help of an AI tool called ChatGPT. So as you can see right now, I'm on ChatGPT. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT or give ChatGPT a simple prompt right now. So you can see the prompt says, write a 100-word description for a free $10,000 cash giveaway CPA ad. And if I do click on enter right now, you can see that ChatGPT actually went on to writing something quite cool right now. And I'm just going to come right here and copy text right here. So if I do copy this text, I'm going to head back to that particular platform right now. I'm going to paste that in right here and read through that particular text right now. But guys, some sections right here in this particular text are actually indicating CPA ad right now. Maybe I'm just going to go on to editing that prompt better right now on ChatGPT. So if I do edit it to something like this right now, as you can see, it actually quite looks better right here. I'm just going to copy this right now. If I copy that, I'm going to head back to that particular platform and actually go on to pasting that in this section. As you can see, that has actually been pasted. Next thing which you want to do is to just simply go on to providing the link to that particular ad. And you can provide that link to that ad right here in this section, which says related link /URL. And I'm going to go onto tinyurl, copy that particular link, head back to that platform right now and paste that in right here. You could also go into selecting an image if you do have one. So when that has actually been done, you want to just simply select the category right here and just simply find a category that actually fits into that particular offer. So basically, once you do fill that right here, focus on all the fields having this red asterisk signs to go on to filling out those fields, as that indicates the necessary field or the required field. And once you do fill out all these sections, click on submit and your ad will actually be posted for free on this platform. Another platform which you want to utilize right here is called the AdPost.com. And if you do head onto this platform, you will find out that this is actually an amazing platform you could use to go into posting ads for free. All you need to do is to click on post ad, and it's going to bring you to a page such as this, where you want to select the location which you want to post your ad to. I'm going to select the United States right now. If I just select this particular demographic, as you can see right now, it's going to ask me to choose a section to post your ad right here. And just like a category right now, maybe I'm just going to select this one right here. If I just select this one right now, you can see right here that this is actually a cool category. All I need to do right now is to actually go on to signing up for this platform, and you can sign up with your email address. So take a look at this right now. All you need to do is to actually go onto this full post section, and you want to just simply go into filling out these details like the caption header, the caption, and all other sections with this red asterisk signs right here. You can select the country to which you want to drive traffic to. I'm just going to select the location in the United States which I want to just simply drive traffic to. I can actually do select a city and actually do go on to filling out other sections with that red asterisk signs right there, and actually go on to promoting this ad for absolutely free. So you can see how cool and easy this actually is. All you need to do is to provide these basic details and promote your ad for free. Maybe if you don't want to use the full post, go on to using the quick post right now, or the multi-post to actually post an ad right here. With a quick post right here, you don't actually need to go on to fill in many details right here. You just have to put in the basic details which you are actually required of and go on to publishing your ad on this platform. So why not just simply try this platform right here to go on to getting traffic to your CPA marketing offers and go on to making some cool cash with this. And if this video was helpful, do smash the like button to this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.